Okay, we're gonna take a quick look at this water bottle that actually is filtered. Yes, you heard it right. This is a 700 milliliter VSITOO, and we'll take a look inside. The water, while you're drinking it, passes through a filter, almost like a mandatory filtration system on it. And I actually like that because it makes it extremely practical. This is the bottle. You have the sleeve with instructions and all that. That's 25.4 ounces or 750 milliliters. And you have all this, removes PFOA, PFOS, and chlorine. Keeps cold for up to 24 hours. That's good. Low pressure flip top straw. And filters up to 40 gallons or 150 liters of water. That's a lot of bottles. This is the bottle. I'm gonna grab some water in a minute and fill it up, but just to show you the texture, it feels actually good. That kind of almost like a stone paint. I don't know what you would call that. Nice insulated. And this is the flip top. I almost flipped it the wrong way. You just push here and it flips up. You have a nice handle here or a hook. And let me show you the beautiful part of it. That is the filter. But inside, it's with double wall insulation. And this is your filter. It can detach from here to clean and all that if you need to, which you will need to, of course, like with any bottle. Put it back here, and here on the bottom too. You can take this out if you want to for cleaning, and this is really nice. So the water is kind of forced to go through the filtration system here before it comes to you for drinking. And the filter, when you're ready to change it, it's that easy. It has all the filtration stages inside right here. Goes in, and that's it. This is your filter that is just active inside. And you just put this cap back on and twist it, and it locks it real quick. Let me go get some regular water just so we can actually see it and I can test it too. So I'll be right back. And I'm just not gonna fill it to the brim, but just gonna pour some cold water. It's unfiltered, just regular water, but I threw a few pieces of ice on it just because I want to. It's not needed absolutely at all, but I want to throw the ice. We'll see what it does, and we'll just put this in. I would say it's filled. Oh, that's actually almost here, which is the top anyway. And let's see what happens. Did I overfill it? Probably. Yep, I did. Just a little bit. It's okay. It should be fine. I'm gonna drink some of it anyway. And now we are ready to drink. I guess I'll just tell you how it feels. I mean, just normal water. It's first time I'm drinking from it. Even though you're supposed to kind of leave it a few minutes so the filter gets soaked in and started and all that stuff that's supposed to happen. I just wanted to try it first, and it just feels like drinking normal water, I guess. I don't see anything except, of course, it's filtered, but besides that, just feels like drinking normal. It doesn't have too much of a draw or drag, whatever you want to call that. It just feels completely normal. So I would say it feels a bit smooth. I don't know if I can claim that. It feels smooth, like it doesn't have the harshness of the tap. Yes, this water was actually tap water. Besides me bringing it on a fancy bottle, this was just filled from the tap. And it doesn't have the chlorine smell. That's very interesting. Or the taste, I don't know how you would say that. That's something I find interesting with it. That's actually cool. And it's one of those bottles that you can fit on your car. At least that's my main goal with it, to put it on the center console so it can be my water bottle on the car. I like that. And if you're walking and hiking and all that, just grab it by this here and you're ready to go. Really cool, actually. I like it. And when you're in the car, well, this car has them on the, what do you call, near the armrest instead of the middle here. But it's exactly the same. And the bottle, boom, fits like a champ. And I can grab it easy. And it fits in the upper part that's a little bit smaller actually too. Look, boom, just like that. That's absolutely beautiful. So this size, really nice. At least for my car, because I just grab it like this, flip it up and drink, and put it back down. So I know which side, the moment I put the finger on this thing, I know which side is actually open and closed without having to put my head down to study it and take my sight off the wheel. Really, really cool product.